Hey everyone, so in this video of my fishing essentials, I'm going to be showing you a Scotty camera mount. Now this camera mount came out about 3 years ago and I really love it because I do a lot of fishing by myself on the boat, and a lot of times I want to get fishing videos, and this mount comes in really handy because I can just attach it anywhere around the boat. So this mount actually, this camera mount comes in two different mounts. So this particular one can be used on any of the Scotty mounts. So this, again, you can clip this in and you can take this out. So this is a rod extender mount. So you can just put it down onto around the boat and then put this on the top. And that's how I can get the shots from the very top down. Or you can put this one on all the other ones too, right in front of you. This is the all-lock mount. So that goes down like that pretty easily. And you can take it out as well. So, like I say, the mount is pretty secured, so you don't have to worry about your camera falling off. The top of this mount, you can put your GoPro camera on by sliding into one side like that, and that one come out. It's very simple. And but if you want to use a regular camera like this one right here, on the other side, you can actually screw the camera on as well, like so. And the screw is this knob is actually pretty big, so it's very handy. If you have cold hands when you're fishing on a cold day, you can just screw this on and you can make it very tight and that doesn't really come off. Again, so that goes on the mount, goes on like that, and you can't even shake that off. It's pretty secured. Now the camera mount, let's try to get this off. The camera mount can be adjusted, so there's a knob back here. You can adjust the angle, you can have it turn to the side, tilting up and down, and there's also two more screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. You can adjust the which way you want to the camera to be pointing at, but this is the main one, the knob. This one lets you point, like I said, point the camera up and down to the side as well, like that, pretty easily. Now the other way of using this camera mount is by using the brackets that comes with the mount. You can screw this on and you can just put the brackets onto any, like this one, this pole right here. You can just, if you want to get underwater footage with a GoPro, a lot of my ice fishing videos, underwater videos is done this way. So you can put this on and you can just slide this down into the water without this falling off. Again, if you screw this on properly, it should be pretty firm, it should be pretty secured, it won't come off. So there you have it. Like as you can see, I got quite a few of them. I got one here, one camera mount right here, and the other one right here, because they do come in pretty handy. You can load up the boat with cameras and get your different camera angles and get the best fishing videos you need. So I hope you enjoy that. Until next time, good luck fishing.